Hi. This is a quick start tutorial on the button prototype asset for Unreal Engine. Observing button state changes can be done in multiple ways. Either by implementing the Observer Actor interface, manually subscribing to state change events in Blueprint, or using the ObserveReact component. This tutorial covers the Observe section of the ObserveReact component. The button prototype actor already has this component, but it can be added to other actors as well. For demonstration purposes, this display monitor also has the ObserveReact component added. If Send Events to Observer Owner is checked, and the owner actor implements the Observer Actor interface, then captured events will be passed on to the owner. You do not need to check this for the button prototype actors. They will use another reaction mechanism, presented in part 2 of this tutorial. Let's begin by making the display listen to all these buttons, by adding them to the Listen to array, in its ObserveReact component. Now, take a look at the value for onStateChanged. It defines the state collection method. Passthrough is the default. It means, every time a state change is observed, pass it immediately to the handlers. Like this. Each button has 2 states, A0, A1, B0, B1, and C0, C1. These were the values shown on the display. But state values are strings, so they can be joined together. This is what Aggregate does. It joins the state values of all observed actors, every time a state change is observed in any one of them. Here is an example. The value received now by the display is the full string, containing all observed state values. The order in which the buttons are added to the Listen to array, is the order in which the state values are concatenated. The state separator string can be changed in the observed settings. Another type of state concatenation is, add to buffer. This creates a string by adding every observed state change value, at the end. It's like writing on a keyboard. In fact, this will be better explained with buttons having one state, like these ones. There is a buffer max size setting that can be configured in the advanced properties. This is the number of last state values, remembered by the concatenated state. For example, a value of 3 will only remember 3 characters. The buffer auto clear delay will clear the buffer after the specified seconds, after the last received state. Here is an example for 3 seconds. And for 1 second. A value of 0 means the buffer will not be cleared. This was a quick overview of the Observe State Changes section of the ObserveReact component. For more information, read the online documentation, inspect the samples in the demo level, or stay tuned for more tutorials in this series.